My name is Jane Chan. I am the head of Start Me Up team at Invest Hong Kong. Invest Hong Kong is a government department responsible for helping overseas companies to set up in Hong Kong.
My name is Louis Tong. I work for Strawberry Net. I lead the business development for the company and also oversees the China business.
My name is Carson McKelvey. I'm one of the managing partners at Tofu Gear, and I'm responsible not only for business development, but more importantly, helping retailers to find the solutions that they need.
Retail is incredibly important to the economy of Hong Kong. In 2017, from January to November alone, we had sales receipts of just over 400 billion Hong Kong dollars, which is a substantial amount.
So in the last 20-something years, that the economy has changed so much. So we have gone through a lot of economic cycles.
One of the biggest issues and challenges that retailers face today is not a technology problem. It's a consumer problem. It's understanding the next generation of consumer that they are facing, not in the next generation, not in the future, but today. And it's about coming to grips with what that consumer is actually looking for, how they're looking to shop, and what they're looking for in a brand and what a brand means to them.
Influencer effect has overflown in the last few years, and this direction would continue to a certain degree. And in terms of retail innovation, I think the customer experience is continue to have to be improved.
Innovation is now, and that needs to be the message looking forward in 2018. Innovation is not new technology, it is not a new business model, it is not a grand strategy. It is being active, it is moving, it is changing, it is being agile. That is being innovative.
The Start Me Up Hong Kong Festival this year is going to be bigger and better than previous years. We've got a whole bunch of events happening. Obviously, Retail's Cutting Edge is happening. Hopefully, you might be able to find another co-founder, a client, an investor, even an employee during this week as well.
This year, January 31st,
At the Hong Kong Convention Center,
join us, innovate with us.
the Retail Cutting Edge 2018 will be there waiting for you.